Hola, me llamo Grammar Gregorio, and today I'm going to talk to you about stem changing verbs. E to IE verbs in particular. Excuse me. So the first verb we're going to mention today is the verb querer, which is to want. And it's an E to IE stem changer, like I mentioned before. And just check out how this verb is conjugated. In the yo form, it's quiero, Q-U-I-E-R-O. To form quieres, ella quiere. Nosotros queremos, vosotros queréis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes quieren. Now, if you look very closely at the nosotros and the vosotros forms, something is slightly different. We're going to talk about that. So what we have here is the boot. And the reason why we draw the boot, excuse me, is because in the yo, tu, él, ella, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes forms, in stem changing verbs, the stem change occurs. But outside of this boot, I apologize, I failed art. In the nosotros and the vosotros forms, there is no stem change. So remember the boot when you are conjugating these stem changing verbs. This is what your handout looks like. These are the forms of querer. Please use this chart right here to conjugate in the all correct forms. A couple rules about stem changing verbs. The stem change always occurs on the second to last syllable, going from right to left. Also, the stem change always occurs on all forms but the nosotros and vosotros forms. Here we have a list of E to IE stem changing verbs. We already mentioned querer, cerrar, it means to close. Empezar is to start or begin. Entender is to understand. Pensar is to think or to plan. Preferir is to prefer. And the verb perder is to lose. These are all mentioned on your handout. And I believe that the letters that I have circled are italicized in your handout. That is the location of the stem change. So I just want to give you a heads up. There are a couple sets of stem changing verbs, and we're going to see some of these in the near future. So not only is there the E to IE that we just talked about, there's actually going to be an O to UE stem changer and an E to I stem changer. And of course, one irregular word in the mix, the verb jugar, is a U to UE stem changer, but that one stands alone. This is the practice part of your handout. What you need to do is you need to conjugate these verbs and stem change them if they occur in any form but the nosotros, and I'm assuming that none of these are going to be in the vosotros. So look carefully and remember to stem change when necessary. Pause right here if you're going to continue. Adios, Grammar Gregorio, signing out.